Gmail is one of the main ways you will communicate with your teachers and classmates. Keeping your Gmail organized will help you to not feel overwhelmed with digital communication. You can access Gmail by opening up your Google web browser and typing mail.google.com in the address bar. Sign in with your school Gmail account. Your username at rcs-k12.us. Read your unread messages. If you come across messages you no longer need, then delete them. To delete, click on the box to select the email. Then click on the trash button. You can also open the message and then select the trash button as well. Unsubscribe from unwanted emails. You may have used your school Gmail to sign up for a tech tool you use in school. Now you're receiving updates. You can unsubscribe from email lists by opening the email and clicking Unsubscribe option at the top. Sometimes this is located at the bottom of the email as well. Update your email signature. To update your email signature, go to the Settings gear, select See All Settings, then scroll all the way down to where it says Signature. Click the Create New button, then type out what you would like your signature to say. Don't forget to go all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This signature will now show up on every email you send. Be sure to check your email regularly. It is good practice to check your email in the morning and then again at the end of the school day. Read through your recent messages and reply to any that you need to by clicking on the message and hitting Reply. Then delete any messages you no longer need. When replying to emails, it is best to reply within 24 to 48 hours.